In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an invoice in Freshbooks. Let's dive right in, starting with the first step, which is initiating your invoice. Head over to your Freshbooks dashboard and look for the Create New button. This is your go-to spot for creating almost anything new in Freshbooks. Once you click it, you'll see a drop-down menu. From here, you want to select Invoice. This choice sets the foundation for the whole billing process. Now, on to step 2. It's crucial to select the right client. You have the flexibility of choosing from your existing clients, or if you need to bill someone brand new, you can add them right on the spot. There's even a handy option in the Clients section. Just click the plus button to create a fresh invoice associated with the client you've selected. Moving on, we come to the critical step of adding line items. Think of this step as building the heart of your invoice. Here, be sure to fill in every detail for each product or service you provide. This includes a clear description, the rate you're charging, and the quantity. FreshBooks also allows you to add any applicable taxes, giving you a seamless way to handle financial specifics. Don't forget, you have the option to import any unbilled time, expenses, or projects, adding another layer of convenience. Our next focus is on adding details and notes. This step is all about personalization and clarity for your client. You'll want to upload your company logo to give your invoice a professional touch. In the Notes section, consider leaving a personalized message, something that's both friendly and informative. This is also where you specify any payment terms and conditions, which can be pivotal in ensuring timely payments. Finally, we arrive at the Review and Send stage. Take a moment to preview your invoice. This is your opportunity to catch any errors or make adjustments before your client sees it. Double-check all the information. Accuracy here is key to maintaining professionalism. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and are confident it's ready to go, click Send. This action will finalize your invoice and deliver it straight to your client, efficiently streamlining your financial transactions. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating an invoice in FreshBooks. By following these steps, you're ensuring that your billing practices are both professional and user-friendly, making financial management a breeze. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to stick around for more great tips and insights to optimize your business processes. Thanks for watching.